Guys, today it's part 3 of the Carlisle rebuild. So, first off, you remember last time I left you we were 8th. Now we're 7th because I just simmed a game. Yeah. So, this episode, what I'm planning to do is climb up to 5th. I don't know if we can do it, guys, but if we can, then I'll be really happy. So guys, first we're gonna be playing Derby. So I want a winning team. Derby's team's really good. Type down in the comments what video we should do next. Add lots of support to me. Thank you. Okay. We've got even had a chance shot and they're already leading. What another? Come on, team, you're better than this. Remember, we've got Ronaldo. We've got Yappy. We are Carlisle. We will win this game. There's no comeback on now. No comeback on. God. Yeah. Team, this game has been all Derby. Give us some hope. Score another. Okay. Sometimes they piss me off. Oh. Okay, what's our next game? Newcastle. I want to draw. Yep, you've heard me. I want to draw. Right, we'll be playing this game. Not Newcastle. We can do this. We can do this. Come on. We are Carlisle. We won't give up. Oh. No. So sorry. That's so sad. What are we doing? Arsenal just won the Prem. Wow. 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 I wanted European football. And I wanted European football. What are you guys doing? I'm facing Everton. Guys, hit down below what transfers we should do. Keep in mind, I don't have much money. And I can't sell them. I can only sell a few players. But I'm not planning to because they're worth quite a bit. My starting 11 players. Can't say so about my bench. My bench horrific. Like, my most valuable player is 2.5 million. My rest of my highest ratings are loadies. So, don't know what I'm going to do about that. But I have built a young squad though, except DeMarkey and Jefferson. But I've built a fairly young squad. Especially with this Valente kid, 18-year-old. I trust him. Got Ronaldo, 17. Yappy, 22. Okay then, guys. One last game. When it ends, actually, let's skip this match. No, Everton took the lead. We've equalised. No! They win 3-1. That puts us where in the league? 8th. How many games left to go? Oh, 2 games. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I'm facing Nottingham Forest. Guys, they win the league in 1998. So not doing it now. Nottingham Forest. Great tackle. Sorry if I felt like muted. This is what you do for me. This is what you do for Carlisle. So we have to be going for a break. Cyril Yappy's performing outstandingly in these last 3 games. I think our problem is our right winger. I'm trusting Valente. I don't think I should. It's only 54 rated. His highest stat is stamina, 85. Guys, look down below in the comments if I should replace Valente. Leave the comments time. All Nottingham Forest. It was fantastic. Low pressure. Down the wing. This is it. Ronaldo. Not been on good form today. Not in many games last. Forest still have a good chance. Slotted wide. Come on. We are Carlisle. We are better than this. We only have 54 points. 6th are at 72. We're fighting for 7th place. If we lose this game, we might not be 7th. We could be 8th. We need to win this game. And I'm gonna play this game right now. At the end. So if you got this far down, then hit the like and subscribe button and type GG in the chat. Spam it actually. As much as you can. Do, 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 do. Right, so lose this game. If we lose this game, we don't get the win. Seventh, we have a good chance next season. We're getting top 5, and that's what I want next season. We need to win next season because we are Carlisle, and Carlisle don't give up. 1-0 against Leeds. Blackburn are from the act screaming, yay! And still looking at the shots. Come on. Ooh, another goal. Ooh, I can't believe this. We are so happy to win that game 3-0. Okay guys, that'll be it for today. Hope you liked this video. Hit the like and subscribe button. Bye! Alright guys. We need to see the player awards. I don't know who that is. Of the year, so are they happy? They're happy with our success. I can move to Watford or stay. I'm staying. So that will be it for us. I hope you enjoyed it. And I just wanted to let you know, I will be uploading again later. This video is not done. 1 sec. We got an offer from Cyril Yappy? No. Not more. What if we get like 1 million out of this and then just gonna draw it? Ooh. Okay guys, that's it. Bye.